Yeah, not tired of this view yet. I woke up early this morning because Kia woke up at like 6. We were hanging out, watching movies, whatever, and then I fell asleep back on the couch for 2 hours. And of course it's so windy that I couldn't get the drone back and I had to land itself way off in the distance. Usually when the drone warns me that there's a lot of wind and I should fly with caution, you know, I just take that as a warning and keep on flying. The wind here today though, absolutely way too strong to be flying drones in. Watch out! And it landed somewhere on some rocks way far away. You can kind of see that squiggly white line. That was me fighting the wind, trying to get it back home. It's down somewhere out there. I think I got 4-wheel drive. I'm gonna find this thing. Whenever you crash your drone, make sure there's enough battery so that the GPS stays on and you can go find it. I'm pretty close, but the rest of the way is gonna have to be on foot. Back this way. Getting closer. Way. It's somewhere around here. Should be. Aha! Got it! Oh, let's get back in the warm house. Half the fun in flying a drone is retrieving it after you crash. That was a fun, unplanned adventure. Oh. All right, back to our normally scheduled. Whoa! Trying to play outside one last time before bedtime, but it is really cold and dark. Keo mostly just wants to go back inside.